What's good, everyone? So today we got a slightly different video than usual, okay? So this one is how to create a thumbnail on YouTube. For some reason, guys, I haven't seen many YouTubers make thumbnails like this and make good videos like this, how to create a thumbnail that's eye-catching, etc, etc. Now, my videos get like 300,000 to 500,000 views per month on my long-form content, so I know something about how to make good thumbnails. Not that much, guys. I'm not an expert. Everyone's like, oh, this guy thinks he's an expert or something. I'm not really an expert at anything except how to get a good physique, guys. I will say that. If you guys want any fitness plans, in the comments down below, in the description, I have 12-week, 4-week, and 8-week fitness plans. Now, this one was, I came up with this idea on how to explain how to people to get good thumbnails, basically from my friend, guys. My friend Stephen Hurley. Shout out to you, one of my best friends and my loyal subscriber, Stephen Hurley. He said, yo, Chris, you gotta show me how to make these thumbnails, because in every single video, you know, there looks like there's a bomb dropping, or you've just seen someone, you know what I mean, get ran over, or something crazy just happened in the video. So, you know, they have to be eye-catching and kind of a little bit performative. So this one should be educational, you know. And shout out to my loyal subscribers, man. If you guys rock with me, man, I rock with you forever. Now, if you don't rock with me, guys, if you try and put me down, you try and talk shit on my name, oh, bro, I ain't doing nothing for you ever. Matter of fact, I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna diss your ass, guys. I'm putting out a diss track soon. Put that one in the bank, guys. This is gonna be crazy. Dissing a whole bunch of people. Oh, bro, it might get me killed, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. The diss track might be crazy, but this one should be great. Now, this one is an MC Stan video, guys. He's a Indian rapper, and this song itself has 120 million views, so absolutely crazy. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, is get Canva. Okay, Canva is the #1 way to build a platform. Okay, build a good thumbnail and build a platform that is going to be eye-catching, and just everything I have on YouTube is from Canva. So first of all, you click on Canva, then you have your Canva home station right here, guys. So this is the home page on Canva. Okay, so that's the finished product. I just wanted to show you guys that. That's what we're going to be creating today, guys. So go to Canva, and then you have to buy the premium account, guys. I would personally recommend buying the premium account, just because premium is kind of the way that, you know, you're going to be able to do a lot of the things that I show you on this video today. So because if you don't have premium, then you're not going to be able to do the stuff that I show you. So go to create a design. I'm going to do a step-by-step guide because I love doing step-by-step guides. Then we go to custom size. There's a whole bunch of different, you know, recommendations: docs, whiteboard, poster, infograph, A4, Instagram post, Instagram story. There's a whole bunch of different ones, right, guys? I recommend going to custom size, and then the custom size for YouTube is 1920 by 1080. So that's the size of thumbnails on YouTube, okay? That's the size of the videos on YouTube as well. So 1920 by 1080. Click on that, and then a new page will open up, which will be presented with a blank canvas, guys. So you're going to start with a blank canvas. Now, first thing you want to do, guys, is you get your photos from the thumbnail, whatever that may be, guys. Like if it's a car video or whatever, just get your cars, get your background. So I'm going to go to my uploads, and I have this downloaded. I have this taken from, you know, the internet, wherever the case may be, guys. So there's just a ton of different pictures here. You can go in your saved pictures, whatever you have, guys. Just take it from your saved pictures, and then go to upload files, and this will pop up, and you can just grab them from this page. So you can grab them from the videos, or you can grab them from the pictures. So scroll down for a little while, guys, until you find the picture that you want. Now, I think I went a bit too far. I have a whole bunch of pictures. I have a whole bunch of thumbnails, as you can see, guys. I have a ton. I literally, when I first started YouTube, I said, let me just make a whole bunch of thumbnails, okay? A whole bunch, because you kind of need as much content as possible on YouTube, or people are just straight up lazy when making YouTube videos. And, you know, not that my videos take much editing time or anything like that, but I kind of want to have a diverse amount of thumbnails and things I can go back on. So we found our thumbnail. Boom, right here. Grab that right here. Boom, done. You stretch that out, guys, to the full thumbnail, because you want the thumbnail full, right? You don't want any white spots or, you know, any black spots. I did art for 5 years in secondary school, guys. And one thing I learned from art in secondary school is that the first day the teacher said, you get 0 points for 0 blank canvas. So we don't want any blank on the canvas, okay? On the thumbnail as well. You get 0 points for the blank thumbnail. So when you see people with blank thumbnails, which is very rare, then you get 0 points for that, guys. You always want to have more content the better. So stretch that out till it's full. Then we want to layer it, guys, okay? We want to get a second a second layer because we want to add shadows to it. So then what we go up here is, and this is why you need the premium version of Canva, you go to background remover. So it removes the background, so just my crazy head, me looking like, is on the picture. So there we have it, guys. We have this. Then we apply that. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add shadows. We're gonna add glow, guys. Okay, that's what's gonna make the picture glow. You can add a bunch of different things to this. You know, what have you guys. I'm not gonna be sitting here and telling you guys what to do for your thumbnail, but this is how I do my thumbnail. So then we apply that. We put the blur up. We put the glow up. We put everything up. So it looks exactly like this. So then we try and match it to the size of that. Boom, right there, overlaid. Boom, overlaid on the picture, guys. So then it looks somewhat reasonable, you know, stands out. Then what we want to do, guys, is we want to add a duotone to the background, right? Because we don't want just a regular background. You can just leave the background of the video, you know, whatever. Like I said, this is my personal video, so I go to edit image. When you click on the actual picture, edit image, then go to duotone. Then you add sea blue or cherry or fuchsia or pop or violet, whatever the case may be. Then you apply that. And then it'll take a couple seconds because obviously Canva is slow as hell. And boom, right there, your picture's up. Good to go. So then you have the background and you have me looking all crazy like, whoa, like you know, you've chopped out the video. You just get rid of the background and then you overlay the video. Okay, then you come back up, guys. And you click on the picture that you want for the thumbnail. So there you have MC Stan right here. Boom, right there. MC Stan chilling. That's the song Basti Ka Hasti. So, right, then we got that. And then what we want to do, guys, we want to add text to the thumbnail, or we want to add some kind of arrows or whatever. So then you come up to the elements. We'll add an arrow to this one. So we add a shape. And hold up a sec, guys. That's adding a tiny arrow. So we want to add an arrow, and then a whole bunch of different arrows will pop up. I like this arrow. I go to flip because we want to flip it. Flip that shit horizontally or vertically or whatever. Boom, right there. You have me on my head looking all crazy, basically implying that I've got a crazy reaction to this video. So same thing we want to do to the actual thumbnail, guys. Put it in hot, the shadow on it, glow. Size of the shadow big, transparency big, and blur big because we want to see it. Everything on this channel is big, guys. Alright, let's keep it pushing. Alright, and then we come down and we go to the text, guys. Now you guys can add whatever text you want. You can scroll through. There's a whole bunch of different texts, especially if you have premium membership, whatever. I like this text, so I come up here. I change the writing to MC Stan Basti Nahasti. So we grab this. Boom, right there. Copy. Boom. Back into the text. Now obviously it's black, guys, and black on blue, that's actually cool, but it doesn't stand out enough for me, guys. I want to change that to red, okay, or some color like yellow or something like that. I don't like the color yellow, so I change out everything red. Boom, right there, guys, red, so it stands out like crazy. All right, boom, right there. Everything on your thumbnail should be pushed towards standing out, guys. Okay, everything should be standing out on your thumbnail. Boom. Then we get another one. All right, we put that in reaction. We can have reaction different color. We'll leave reaction blue, maybe blue on blue. Doesn't really suit actually, so we're gonna change that to red as well. All right, let's get it, guys. So we'll change that one to red as well. So we have reaction. Everybody knows it's a reaction. Everyone knows it's the name of the song, and everybody knows that the thumbnail of the actual video is Basti Nihasti. Then what I personally like to do is add the country where they're from in, because people like to see where they're from. I add the Indian flag. You just go to search elements. You can search South Korea, India, UK, America, whatever. Then you try to put the thumbnail somewhere that's not blocking the picture. I put it up here. Boom, right there. That's your thumbnail done. You go over to share. You go down to download, PNG. I go for JPEG, right? We always want JPEG because that's kind of like the easiest type thing, right? Download. It'll take like 3 to 5 seconds to download that, guys, depending on your internet. Then boom, click on it and it opens up. Boom, right there, you got your thumbnail, guys. Then on any of your YouTube videos, you can add the thumbnail to the video. Super easy demonstration, guys. Leave in the comments down below what you think. Any other demonstration that you guys want to see on my channel, please let me know. I love you all. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.